For someone who had to look up best practices for these machines, I think I'm doing all right. I got some stuff stacked right there. I'm not gonna waste birch bark, golden birch bark, so I'm gonna take that off of those. Here's what I still got to do. I'm partway through this big one here. It's going great, but I'm getting tired. I'm gonna have to stop and get some water pretty soon. Okay, so what am I doing, right? All these logs are logs that are blow down, or someone was having a tree cut down on their property or whatever, that I went to collect this neighborhood a little further afield with an eye towards turning them all into bowls, cookses, spoons, stuff like that. And then life got in the way. And got in the way for so long that these logs are all nice and dry, nice and seasoned, which means terrible for carving, but good for firewood. So I'm bucking them all up to make them easier to chop. I'm gonna take them to my mother-in-law's because she's got an outdoor fireplace and she's a little low on wood. So take it out there, hopefully burn a celebratory fire when I get out there, whenever I get to go. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna give it a break for today. I got a lot of stuff bucked up there, ready for transport to the mother-in-law's. So I'll give her a call, let her know I got her some wood, and take a break for today. All right, that's all she wrote. Thanks for hanging out with me on this little chore. As I always say, if you like what I'm doing, then please do the following 3 things. 1, comment down below. What's your favorite chainsaw? 2, share this video. That helps me more than you could possibly imagine. And 3, leave me a smiley thumb. If you don't like what I'm doing, that's all right. Leave me a friendly thumb. Thanks for watching, guys.